Hello my dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Genuine Funda. Today I am going to discuss some important basic mathematical points like as difference between rational numbers and irrational numbers. It expressed in a fraction, that is p by q. It cannot be expressed in fractions. It can be converted into fractions. It cannot be converted into fractions. It is repeating decimal. It is non-repeating decimals. It is finite or recurring decimals. It is infinite or non-recurring decimals. They are always perfect squares. They are always surds. The sum of two rational numbers is rational number. The sum of two irrational numbers is sometimes irrational number. The product of two rational numbers is rational number. The product of two irrational numbers is sometimes irrational number. Example 0, 4, 16, 1 upon 2, 4 upon 3, minus 4 upon 5, 8.4, 0.7575 continue. Example root 2, root 3, minus root 7, pi e. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to soft copy of this video, then check the description box and click the link to get PDF file. Next time I will discuss more informative mathematical video. My dear viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also likes, comments and share.